Today we are making a Gideon's copycat recipe so that you can have some Gideon's cookies when you're away from home, and they're pretty close to the original. Hi, today we are making a Gideon's copycat recipe for their cookies. Now, it's pretty close to the original, however, nobody knows what's in the original, but we kind of guessed, and it tastes pretty similar. You need 3 different kinds of chocolate chips. We got all of the Ghirardelli brand, but you need milk chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate, and mini semi-sweet chocolate. So we're gonna put all of them into a bowl and mix them together. We're just mixing them together so that when we use them later, there's a variety. Okay, now we're gonna preheat the oven to 400 degrees so that it's ready when we need it. Okay, so for this recipe, you're gonna want a stand mixer with a paddle attachment. You want this mainly for the different speeds that's gonna take to mix everything together. So you're gonna take your butter, but it has to be cold. So not room temperature, not melted. It's gotta be cold. And you're gonna wanna cube it. Okay, so you wanna cube a cup of butter, cold, and put it in your mixer. Take dark brown sugar and add a half a cup of that into the mixer. It does not need to be packed. Now we're gonna add a half a cup of light brown sugar, and again, it does not need to be packed. Finally, we're adding a half a cup of regular pure cane sugar. Now we're going to turn the mixer onto low for 30 seconds. Alexa, set the timer for 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, now you want to turn your mixer up to medium speed and mix it for 4 minutes. Alexa, set the timer for 4 minutes. At the end of 4 minutes, it should look very light and fluffy. Now you're gonna add 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, one teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now you're going to mix for 1 minute at medium speed until it's very smooth. You're going to scrape the sides if needed to. Now you are going to set your mixer to low and add 3 cups of flour gradually into the mix. Now with the mixer on low, you want to add 1.5 cups of the bowl of chocolate chips that you made and mix it until it's combined. Now we are going to take our parchment paper and line our cookie sheets with them. So you're going to want to take a 1/4 cup or a cookie scoop and scoop it into your batter. Take it out. Kind of roll it into a ball, and then you're going to dunk it in your chocolate chips and kind of coat the outside of them. I would leave the bottom without chips, just so, I mean, you don't have to leave the bottom without chips, but the chips may fall off if they're on the bottom. So you want to kind of tightly pack them in to make sure they won't fall off. Now these chocolate chips will not melt in the oven. So chocolate chips are made to actually not melt. So when they're cooking in the oven, these will not melt off the top. So then you just want to keep making your cookies and lining your sheet. Now you're going to pop these in the oven at 400 degrees for 8 to 9 minutes until they're lightly golden. And this is the finished product. All you need to do now is transfer these onto a cooling rack. If you try this recipe and you like it, make sure to comment down below. Thanks for watching!